Can you do the shoulder part in Itsy Wannabe? I don't know. I think it's like something. I don't know the count, but it's too fast for me, I think. 10 minutes? It took me 10 minutes? Alright guys, what else can I do? We are going to need butter, so I'll have that butter out. I learned this from my mom, to finish the ball look like with a little butter. Oof, the flavor is just so much yummier with butter. So I'm gonna do that. A tablespoon is enough. What are we waiting for now? We're waiting for the rice to cook. Because once the rice is cooked, we can start the beef, and then we can have the beef warm with warm rice. Because I don't want to make the beef now and then have no rice with it and then let it cool. Dalgona coffee time. Hello. Perfect timing. Wait, Aria, you need to freaking go to the vet tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Is this really a good idea? Okay, yeah, it's fine. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I just have to really be disciplined and not stay up at night. I'm gonna force myself to sleep. Yeah, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. What the frick, guys? Why are you guys... You guys are usually enabling me. What's going on? What's going on? Who are you guys? Who are you guys? What did you guys do to my viewers? My real viewers? Did I not teach you something? Did I not teach you to always be an enabler? What kind of rice cooker do you have? Zojirushi, which is like the elephant brand. It is the best. I truly believe in it. My parents have been using that brand too since before they had me. It is best. We've seen you with coffee, it did end well. Come, that's Lily. That's not me. I'm fine. Hola. You broke the glass yesterday. I know, but I really ran out of cups. I need to buy more cups. I need to buy plastic cups. Remind me, chat. Hopefully I'll remember, and when I go grocery shopping tomorrow, I can grab some plastic cups. Isa Nation, thank you so much for the Twitch Prime. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for the support. Thank you, thank you. Plastic bag. Oh, no, not disposable. Not disposable plastic. Like, I keep forever in my cupboard plastic. Will you ever bake any Animal Crossing goods? Yes. Yes, I will be. 100%. I will be for April's bake sale. So I decided that I'm going to go ahead and move forward with the bake sales, especially because I kept on waiting for the quarantine to be lifted in order to do it, but it's really not going to be lifted. And I'll just be extra careful with packaging and stuff. Yeah. Michael Reeves would approve. Anything plastic too. Okay. Splash. No coffee hour. It's too late. It's too late. You guys can't convince me now. It's Awarida. Your girl is in it to win it. It's too late. It's too late. Save it for tomorrow? No. I'll be fine, guys. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. It's Awarida. What's that coffee to water ratio? Honestly, it should have been 1:1:1, but I've already tested this multiple times. I can always use extra water and it's just fine. It is fine. Too much sugar? No. I like it with extra sugar. Let the crackhead hours begin. Okay, guys. I'll be disciplined. Don't worry about me. Don't worry. Be happy. What's your favorite food to make? Bún bò Huế. It's my favorite food to make and eat and serve. It's a dish that I've tried really hard to make my own and make it delicious for my friends, and they love it. They love it so much. There's coffee in my sugar. Okay, true. But I like it like that. It's yummy. Are you from USA? Yes. They put 10 kg sugar into everything. Yes. Wonderful. Let's show you guys a good shot of it. Is this your late night snack? The drink portion of it, yes. Do you play Minecraft? I do. I'll be playing Minecraft very soon, actually, with my friends. We all plan to play it. I'm happy with this consistency.